Hello, I'm Sakshi. I'm basically from Karnataka. So recently I opted for a course on data and business analytics training program that is by TechTip24 where the mentor is Aditi Gupta. So I would like to say that I did really a great job by enrolling to this course. I came through this link by scrolling on Insta where I found the workshop for data analytics, which was 3 hours. I don't know why did I enroll to that workshop, but I would say that it was really a good experience. Those 3 hours made me realize that I was missing something. I was missing something that I would learn something new. So after that 3 hours, I enrolled to this course. Where Aditi was the mentor. So she taught us Power BI, TABLEAU, SQL. Right now I'm learning Python and R language. So all these three tools, it was really easy, or maybe Aditi made us look easy, and all this was hands-on experience, not just theory. No, there was only little theory and more of hands-on experience she taught us. Anyone with no prior knowledge can opt for this course, and this was really a fantastic experience for me. Thank you TechTip for this amazing experience, and thank you Aditi for teaching us.